Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ghost tikki, a savory and flavorful meat patty. First, gather your ingredients, including 500 grams of minced meat and 50 grams of split chickpeas. Next, we will prepare the aromatic spice blend and cook the mixture to perfection. Then, we will shape and fry these delightful tikkis until they are golden brown and ready to serve. Get ready to enjoy a truly satisfying culinary experience. To begin, you will need 500 grams of minced meat, which can be mutton or beef. Also, soak about 50 grams of chana dal, or split chickpeas, in water for at least 2 hours. For the aromatics, prepare 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Don't forget your essential spices: 1 teaspoon each of red chili powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala, plus salt to taste. Now let's craft your tikkis. In a pressure cooker, combine the minced meat, soaked chana dal, ginger garlic paste, and all your dry spices. Add about 1/2 cup of water, then cook the mixture for 6 to 8 whistles on high heat until the meat is perfectly tender. Once cooled, grind this mixture into a smooth paste. Finally, fold in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander and 1 small diced onion. For the final step, it's time to fry and enjoy. Take small portions of the mixture and shape them into flat, round patties, approximately 2 inches in diameter. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a shallow pan over a medium flame. Carefully place the tikkis in the hot oil and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crisp. Serve your delicious ghost tikkis hot with a refreshing mint chutney or a crisp salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.